Google found that 53% of mobile web page users will actually leave that page if it doesn't load within 3 seconds. That's why more and more brands are leveraging what we call headless commerce. So what exactly does headless mean, and when is it utilized? In simple terms, it's when a brand's front-end system, like the website customers see, is separated or decoupled from the back-end system, like Shopify or any other e-commerce platform. So what does it all mean? This means merchants have full flexibility and authority over how their e-commerce website functions and looks. They also aren't constrained by the platform's turnkey features. This autonomy allows merchants to prioritize things like page speed, by optimizing core functions with the use of APIs and progressive web apps, also known as PWAs. Well, with that much customization comes a lot of time and resources. This is not always ideal for smaller or mid-sized merchants that are just getting started with e-commerce subscriptions because it will require time, money, and developers to build and maintain it. However, as mid-sized companies continue to grow and scale and add complexity to their offerings, headless may become more feasible with increased resources and more desirable with increased flexibility for customization and optimization. So let's recap. Headless commerce is when the front-end and back-end systems are decoupled from one another. This offers full flexibility and control over the whole e-commerce experience. But it is more suited for larger merchants with access to the resources required. Thanks again for watching. Now, let's take a look at some of these other videos right over here.